Glow plug issues and replacement guide of 5 symptoms. If you don't have a diesel engine, you may not be familiar with glow plugs. They are essential components in diesel engines that serve as a replacement for spark plugs. Their job is to heat up the engine cylinders, especially in cold weather. While glow plugs typically last a long time, they can wear out over time. In this video, we'll walk you through the signs of a bad glow plug and the cost of replacing them. Signs of a bad glow plug. 1. Difficulty starting the engine. If your diesel engine is hard to start, it could be due to malfunctioning glow plugs. When the glow plugs fail, they can't generate enough heat to properly warm the cylinders, making it difficult to start the engine. In extreme cases, if the plugs are almost dead and temperatures are low, you may not be able to start the engine at all. 2. Engine misfiring. Another sign of faulty glow plugs is engine misfires. If the glow plugs don't heat the cylinders properly, the fuel may not ignite correctly, causing the engine to misfire or backfire. While misfires can be caused by other issues, a bad glow plug should be checked first. 3. Poor acceleration. Glow plugs can affect your engine's performance, particularly in colder weather. If your engine is sluggish and unresponsive when you press the accelerator, it could be a sign of failing glow plugs. However, poor acceleration can also be caused by other factors, so it's important to rule out other potential issues before replacing the glow plugs. 4. Black exhaust smoke. If your diesel engine is emitting dark gray or black smoke from the exhaust, this could indicate a problem with the combustion process. While there are various reasons for black smoke, if you are also experiencing other symptoms mentioned above, it's worth checking the glow plugs. 5. Check engine or glow plug warning light. A malfunctioning glow plug can trigger the check engine light or a dedicated glow plug warning light on your dashboard. You can use an OBD2 diagnostic tool to check for error codes. A common code related to glow plugs is P0380, but other codes such as P0670, P0684, or P0384 may also appear. Cost of replacing glow plugs. The cost to replace glow plugs typically ranges from $115 to $300 for a full set, which includes both parts and labor. Glow plugs themselves usually cost less than $75, while labor can vary between $60 and $225, depending on how difficult it is to access the glow plugs. Since the cost is relatively low, it's better to replace faulty glow plugs sooner rather than later to avoid more significant issues. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.